The mom of a little girl after the man accused of taking pictures under the girl's dress goes free. A judge rules nothing in Oregon law makes doing that illegal. K2's Bob Hyde joins us live in the newsroom with a look at the conflict between public places and basic privacy in reaction from that little girl's mother. And Bob, she must be furious tonight.
Just hard to believe, Steve. We're showing you the problem. The Skype video we're using to this screen is coming from a camera way over there on that phone on the desk. It's very hard to spot the iPhone shooting that video. So far, most courts have ruled you can't expect privacy in public from that kind of camera, even under a woman's skirt. This is surveillance video of a man taking pictures up a woman's skirt inside a Target store in Sherwood in 2010. Patrick Bono was arrested for doing the same thing to a 13-year-old girl inside this Target store in Beaverton. But a Washington County judge ruled so-called upskirting is legal under Oregon law.
It was traumatic for my daughter. She was only 13 years old at the time, and it was upsetting.
The girl's mom asked that we not identify her when we talked by phone tonight.
I thought, that was definitely something that would, it was against the law to invade someone's privacy, especially a child.
Some states like Massachusetts and Texas have passed anti-video voyeur laws, only to have them struck down by state Supreme Courts protecting free speech. Defense attorney Sean Colley isn't involved in Patrick Bono's case, but says courts consistently protect anything that happens in a public space, like a store, no matter how repulsive it is.
What the courts have said kind of repeatedly on the trial court level is that you don't have a reasonable expectation of privacy under a female skirt. And that's the tragic part of these kinds of cases.
The mom of this latest victim says that has to change.
For someone to exploit a child for their sexual gratification and for it not to be against the law is frustrating. I wish Oregon protected children from sexual exploitation across the board.
There are a couple of Oregon lawmakers sponsoring bills hoping to outlaw video voyeuring, but a mom in Springfield was already trying to get that kind of law passed after her neighbor had drilled holes in the side of his house and put in cameras to watch her 10-year-old daughter through her bedroom window. That was 2 years ago, and at this point, nothing's changed. Live in the newsroom, Bob Hyde, K2 News.
Really is hard to believe. Something's going to have to change at the legislative level, Bob Hyde. Thank you very much for that.